Problem there, oh my viewers. We just hear say our Nigerian police don't go detain one woman. What did they call her? Jennifer Madueke. Say this woman go thief police gun. And the person police gun where this woman go thief now CSP Adegoke Akinlade. This one a big man for the police force. Now in gun and they go the one that say I beg. How police gun take enter this woman hand? Now there we gather say this madam CSP with this man, two of them don't they date since. In fact, two of them now lovers. Say now when they can't transfer this CSP to Lagos, now there two of them relationship can't break. God so good now there these two people again come meet too. The man come the reason as okay, make him invite Jennifer come in office. Say he won't make two of them continue their love and make her not forget. This man don't they married though. After 7 years, he don't marry his own wife. They live in life, but he don't forget, he don't marry. God decide say he want to go out with this girl. Now there ain't gonna carry this madam. Come in office, go the summon this woman inside in office. So immediately this woman come out. Now there we hear say gun don't lost. Now there can the one oga can the one that say say person wey beside they sleep with now go thief my gun. Now there ain't carry this woman go in house. Go they ask her question say madam I beg where my gun. She said they claim say she no know where this gun. They say she no even touch the gun. This man no gree or no go believe. Now there this man arrest this in lover. I been a side chick go put him inside prison. Say him go detain this girl, ask her question until the girl go release the gun. But this woman said they claim say anything about this gun, she no even know anything about her. So why be say the man they we don't hear say now so this man they torture this girl because of this so-called gun. And this one I don't know, is this one not even unprofessional? Say you go carry woman enter inside your office, they phone one sleep inside police cell. You know go rent hotel, you know carry and go your house inside the prison there, inside our office there. Now there you go they do this kind of thing with this woman. But still as I say this lady no still they accept saying that she thief go. And I no go wait to believe what the police did. In carry this woman go Babalawo place. Say make Babalawo still confirm for them say who thief in gun because now no say this one na official gun. Babalawo still claim say now the woman take, but the woman self say she no take this. I beg who won't come go meet too. Now God go help them settle this matter. I be who won't come tell us now who carry this gun. And because of this one, they say this woman don't dey in illegal detention. For this police, they say this man say he no go release this woman until he see him gun. But I beg me, I go advise say make them even arrest this oga of police. Because one, this thing when you do, in fact, it dey uncultural, it is unprofessional. Say you go carry woman with your uniform, wear am. They sleep with woman, one, you no good. And how be say you never see anywhere go do this kind of thing, you be married man. Now inside on a police office, I beg what be safe in the act. I mean, I no go surprise now one of the boys where they live for that place. When they follow this man work, now go thief the gun. Because now our police they go carry this thing, say they won't go say to thief. Now like the mistake now, this man don't they claim they beat innocent person. After which you don't knock the person join now, you can't detain him. They beat him again on top saying thief gun. Now wow, but this crime I hope say bigger people for police go carry this matter put for head. Because now not supposed to just allow this man they go freely like that. Most of all these police they do and undo. As this man don't do now, they supposed give him his own deserved punishment self. Make himself no say this one way you do you no good. Make they even in fact at the feel make they collect that uniform for your hand. If now suspension they go give, make they even collect the whole work for your hand. Make they collect them. So that other police will be say if they carry matter come in a hand, and I go to use sex they take cover. So that next time and I go use in the end learn things. Anyway, my viewers, I go end down here for today. If you get anything to talk about this one, make na write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for our next video.